In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone on the latest iOS 18.2.1 update. So what you're going to do in the first way is actually restarting your phone. And I know this sounds a little bit general, but believe me, in a lot of cases, this will actually help solve the problem. So this is the first thing you need to try. And in order to restart your phone, you're going to hold the power button and you're going to hold the volume up button. And that is basically how you can slide the power off of your phone. And then you basically reboot. And then it is in a lot of cases the case that your Wi-Fi problems will be solved. But if it isn't solved, then I'm going to show you the next option. And for this, we're going to our settings. And from settings, we're going to click on Wi-Fi. And in here, we're going to click on the little eye icon with the Wi-Fi network we're connected to. Or not connected to when you're having trouble getting your Wi-Fi set up. But then you're basically going to click on the eye icon of that connection. And in here above at the top, you can see forget this network. And when you already have a network that you're used to, then you need to click on forget this network. But of course, only do this when you have the password with you. So yeah, I would advise you to do that as a step 2. And if it still does not work after you enter the password again and connect it again to the Wi-Fi network, then you can go to settings and then you go to general. And from here you go all the way down. And then above shutdown, we see transfer or reset iPhone. And this last step is a bit drastic because this last step will basically mean that we are going to reset all our network settings. So that is basically what you're going to do then. And I would not advise you to do this because when you see we click on reset, I was trying erase all content, but it was the wrong one. But it is actually reset. So when you click on reset, what you need to click on is reset network settings. But be cautious with this because this will actually reset every network setting that you have previously installed on your phone. So this will also remove every Wi-Fi network that you have connected to in the past. So only do this when there is really no solution and the previous steps did not work. And if you reset your network settings, then it should probably work. And when it still doesn't work, then it is probably a problem with the phone. So then you can use another phone to check if the issue is actually the phone or not. So this is the end of the video. I hope this video helped you out by solving this problem. If so, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.